So today I just hit around 1,100 in AFRM, so I just opened around 8,000 share on AFRM and I long it. So as you know, so today was very important day actually, so because the CPI came out, which was 6.4 and the forecast market was 6.2, which is a little higher, so but it's still from 6.5 it going to 6.4 is show the market there is still inflation is coming down in US, so that's why the market is rise. So the important thing, so when you see this old data, so it came out, so you should be always update. And also I'm here in this channel, I will tell you about what happened in the market and you always update. So I always make a live video about the market one and what happened in future, so you can always be updated. Just subscribe the channel and then you can see all this data. So here you can see on the chart, I just opened one long position on AFRM and I put my TP around 1,100. And in AFRM, I can see because the Nasdaq is also go up and my stop loss was around 580. So the one thing I did, I saw the market is still going up and then I moved my my TP around 1,000. So I just want to be sure and I don't come out from this position. And so plan was I can move my target a little higher. But hopefully, but the market was very fast and hit my target only in a second. So that was my plan. I just moved my TP a little higher and my stop loss a little down. So here you can see just hit my target and I came out from the trade and I didn't open one more position because it was a little risky, so it was also over buy, so and I didn't open one position. And that was my trade for today, guys. And also if you want to be always updated in the market, so just make sure to subscribe to the channel and then you can see all the data which has come out almost every day. And also I upload all of my trade every day in this channel. So just be sure about to subscribe the channel and then you get this all data as like a video and all this data is coming out from market, so you can be always updated. And also if you are looking for a good platform for trade, especially in stock, I recommend to you to use the Karberdie, which is also I use it. So this platform will give you 30 days free fee and then you don't need to pay for 30-day fee or spread to the broker, so which I link it in description and then you go through with that link. So the Karberdie is also give you crypto, stock and also forex, which I also use it. So that was, if you're looking for a good platform, I recommend to you to use the Karberdie. That was all, guys. Thank you for watching and also be sure to subscribe and also put the bell and every time when I upload or publish one new video, so you can directly to see and what's going on the market. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, night or morning.